180 Ukrainian servicemen, 2 tanks, 3 infantry fighting vehicles, 5 motor vehicles. The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in the Donetsk direction. The active operations of the Yug Group of Forces, as well as the attacks by Operational-Tactical and Army Aviation and artillery, have resulted in the neutralisation of over 180 Ukrainian servicemen, 2 tanks, 3 infantry fighting vehicles, 5 motor vehicles, 1 Akatsia self-propelled howitzer and 1 Gvozdika self-propelled howitzer. In the South Donetsk and Zaporozhye directions, Operational-Tactical and Army Aviation, as well as artillery of the Vostok Group of Forces, have launched a complex fire attack against the units of the armed forces of Ukraine near Ugledar, Pavlovka, Novosyolovka in Donetsk People's Republic, and Novodanilovka in Zaporozhye region. The enemy's losses were up to 65 Ukrainian servicemen, 1 tank, 2 armored fighting vehicles, 3 pickup trucks, and 1 Msta howitzer. In total, 398 airplanes, 217 helicopters, 3,361 unmanned aerial vehicles, 410 air defense missile systems, 8,222 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,055 fighting vehicles equipped with MRLS, 4,300 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 8,798 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!